Hello there, a couple of things. One, if you've been following along, I have finished the first dress for my daughter. I'm actually going to try and make 4 dresses instead of 3, but we'll see how that works out because the 4th one is sort of gonna be an improvisation, kind of Frankensteining it together a little bit simply because of the fabric that I wanted to use. There's not, I have to be very creative with the way that I use the fabric, to put it mildly, but I'm working on that now because I figured that one would take me the longest. The one that I finished last night was like that once I got into the groove, but this one might take me a little longer, so I want to spend some time on it. But I'm actually taking a little break from that because one second. Oy. Got same to you. I got a new delivery from Unique Vintage, and as I said in my previous Unique Vintage video, I don't normally buy clothing for myself brand new. I usually thrift it or make it myself. However, these were on sale and I could not resist because, well, they're both cardigans. And I suppose if I had the patience to learn how to crochet and or knit, I could make my own cardigans, but I don't have the patience for it. I have tried picking up both hobbies multiple times over the years and it just ends in disaster. I usually end up crying and throwing the ball of yarn somewhere into the void, never to be seen again. It's better if I buy cardigans instead of attempting to make them. And when I saw these, I couldn't resist because they are pieces that have been missing from otherwise making outfits of mine complete. Where's, okay. All right. Ah! That was unexpected. Okay. Put that there for now. Up first, oh, it is adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, goody. It comes with an extra button. This cute spring green cardigan. It's got a butterfly and mushrooms and the buttons. Look at the buttons. They are so cute. Oh my God. Oh, I love it so much. I saw it and I knew right away the dress that I would put this with. Specifically, I mean, obviously I'll use it with different outfits, but I really want to use it for one particular dress simply because the coloring, it just works on so many different levels. So without further ado, how about we go ahead and style this and I will show you what I mean. See what I mean? Isn't it cute? The mushroom has pink and purple, so it goes with the purple dress, it goes with the pink belt, goes with the pink shoes. However, if I wanted to shake things up, hi Bill. Yes, I see you. I could change out of the pink shoes and go with green shoes, which would tie in with a cardigan. And regardless of which shoes I decide to go with, I have a purse for both. And I can even, if I decide that I'm chilly, I don't need to wear the cardigan as a cape. I can wear it as a proper sweater. Oh, I love this color. And it still looks as cute as can be. Now, let's go for the second one. Just as a quick side note and personal memo to myself, never again attempt to put on this dress when my husband is not home to help me zip up the side. Side zippers are of the devil, especially if you're busty. It's just very difficult to get the train up the tracks. However, I managed, I persevered, so yay. Onward to the next outfit. Did not expect that green cardigan to be as heavy as it was. I was expecting it to be a bit more lightweight, but whatever, I will make it work. Now up next is the second cardigan. Here, Huffle, play with the wrapper. Now, I saw this. I knew I had to have it. Like, as much as I wanted it though, I hemmed and hawed a lot because, again, it's difficult for me to fathom the purchase of brand new items for myself because I'm so used to thrifting or making my own. But finally, I got out of my own head and I bought this. The hell? Bilbo? What's wrong? Was Hufflepuff winning? I don't know if you heard that, but Bilbo and Hufflepuff were playing and she started to win and he didn't like that. Mainly because she's so much littler than he is. Anyway, this Emily the Strange cardigan. Ah! Oh my god, it has pockets. I just noticed the pockets. Trying to do anything with cats, am I right? Now I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking that I'm going to style this with the skirt that I got. That's also Emily the Strange. You would be wrong. That needs something short. It needs like a bolero because of the fullness of the skirt. It doesn't need to be weighed down by this long, heavy cardigan. So I'm actually gonna style it with this blouse, these capris, and this belt. So let's go take a look. And here we go. Buckets! Now, this look in itself is fairly casual. However, if I wanted to make it even more casual, I could do away with the red flats and go with these black and white and red checkered sneakers. Like if I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking, that would be the shoe that I go with. However, if I'm just hanging out, you're going out to dinner, this would be the shoe that I would use. And of course, a red purse. The outfit would not be complete without it. But yeah, this definitely belongs with pants. It does not go with a skirt. It's too long and too heavy. So yeah, like the green one, this cardigan was also on sale, 50% off. So that was finally the kick in the pants that I needed to be brave and click the checkout button. I hope you had as much fun with this as I did. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. Mwah!